Hello guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to fix invalid gaming services error in Forza Horizon 6. Now there are a couple of fixes you can try to fix this error. First, we need to open Nvidia app if you are using Nvidia GPU and try updating the drivers. If you are on AMD, then open that app and update your graphics card drivers and then try launching your game and see if the issue gets fixed or not. The next fix you can try is opening Microsoft Store and search here for an app called Gaming Bar and then hit enter on your keyboard. Then you'll find this app in the first place, select it and after that click get and install the latest version of this app. Then we need to update gaming services. For that, inside Microsoft Store, instead of using this search bar, go to your library and then search here gaming services and you'll be able to find this gaming services app. Open it and then you should see update option here. In my case it's already updated, that's why the update option is not here. So update the gaming services. Now if Forza Horizon 6 is running in background, then you have to close it. The only way we can close it is by pressing Alt plus F4 on our keyboard. Once you have closed the game, again open Microsoft Store and now we need to search for Xbox. After that it will show you the Xbox app, select it and if an update is available, update the Xbox app as well. Now it's time for launching Forza Horizon 6 and see if the issue got solved or not. In my case the issue got fixed, but if it doesn't in your case, then we have to update Windows 11. Many people underestimate updating Windows 11. In many cases that's the reason why the game causes error. So we have to open Windows and then go inside settings. Under settings we need to click on Windows Update and here we need to click on check for updates, and if an update is available we have to update Windows 11. So these are the fixes you can try for solving the invalid gaming services error in Forza Horizon 6. Hope this helps. Leave a like and subscribe my channel. For now, thanks for watching.